Rockman. Some people call me Rahman, Rockman, Batman, Superman, Iron Man, Spider-Man, Aquaman. If you go to Jamaica, they call me Yaman. So this one, we're not open yet.
I'm sorry.
This one is a with love from Malibu cake. It's very nice, sweet like me, and soft.
Sweet like him.
Yes, and this is
I don't
sweet
know.
Valentine cake. It's very good. It's sugar free, but still sweet like me, even sugar free.
It's sugar free?
Yes.
Wow. What about this second one?
Which one?
The one in the back.
Yeah, they are the same.
They're both sugar free.
Yeah.
Wow.
All right, and next to the next one is very love. If somebody love with the berry, this is the cake that you have to try.
Okay.
This one is peachy rose champagne. It's so bubbly and sweet. Still like me. Bubbly and sweet. And this is flaming heart. The way they make is from the heart.
Wow. So how do they make those hearts in the back?
It's secret actually.
You won't tell the secret?
It's secret recipe.
Okay.
Look at all those yummy cakes. I'm going to try them all.
Can you believe most of these cakes were sugar-free?